Hey guys, welcome back to Bikram Tutorial. As you are watching your favorite channel Bikram Tutorial BD, and this is the very good channel because this channel gives you spoken NTPC videos, I think CTED videos, and other many exercise videos, and so on. I think this is the most important platform, and I think this is helping you very much. And from now we have completed, I think, spoken day 44, and we have reached spoken day 45. And I think you are watching my video, and you are, I think you are liking my video, and this video is very helpful. And I think you are practicing hard for spoken, and I think you are able to speak English, but you have to follow day 90. I think till day 90 you will complete all the things whatever you will need. I think okay. Now I will give you that those type of sentences which will be helpful in spoken, and continue. You have to practice, and I think then nobody can stop you is speaking English. So okay, let's start. The first sentence is the electricity went off. First है the electricity went off. Electricity went off. I think you can understand this sentence in Hindi. The electricity went off means बिजली चली गई. बिजली चली गई. The electricity went off because how I how I make this sentence in English. At first I think electricity चली गई. That means this sentence is related to past. That means past indefinite, and past indefinite, this means at first subject because this is the positive sentence. Electricity is the word electricity means electricity मतलब बिजली. And went off चली गई. Went off means चला जाना, and this is the past indefinite tense. That means we have to use V2. That means went off. I think you have completed all the things, and you are understanding all the things properly. And I think you are, I think you should have no problem. I think you should have no problem. That means you can understand whatever I speak. Okay. Next sentence is next sentence and second sentence. Next sentence means second sentence. Second sentence is he is quick to understand. He is quick to understand. He is quick to understand. That means क्या इसका मीनिंग हो जाए क्विक टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप, आई थिंक यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन बेटर वे हाउ इट इज फॉर. ही इज क्विक मतलब वह तेज है, और अंडरस्टैंड मतलब समझना, यानी वह तुरंत समझ जाता है. देखिए देखिए एक सी वन थिंग. when you translate you have to follow some rules, but when you speak and when you write all the things, then you have to think fast. He is quick to understand मतलब वह आसानी से समझ जाता है, वह तेजी से समझ जाता है. आपको इस तरह से समझना पड़ेगा. That means I will bring those type of sentences which is difficult to understand for you, but I will make you understand properly. Then you may understand all the things in proper way. So don't hurry up. Don't don't worry, because BD is here, and BD will complete all the sentences whatever you will need, and you have to follow only in 90 days. And after 90 days I think you will speak openly. Don't I think you will not need to be afraid, I think. Okay. Next sentence is I consider I consider you my best friend. You my best friend. Okay. आप you are watching. I consider you my best friend. तो इसका मतलब हो गया मैं तुम्हें सबसे अपना अच्छा मित्र समझता हूँ. आई कंसिडर यू माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड मीन्स मैं तुमको एक अच्छा मित्र समझता हूँ. उम्मीद है, आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. I think you are getting. That means this is the third sentence, and like that I will continue all the sentences which is very important sentence. Next sentence is fourth number. The fourth number sentence is shall I shall I call you a taxi? Shall I call you a taxi? That means I think you are understanding. क्या मैं आपके लिए टैक्सी बुलाऊं? क्या मैं आपके लिए टैक्सी बुलाऊं? तो इसका मतलब ये ना समझाइएगा कि क्या मैं बुलाऊंगा तुम्हें टैक्सी। तो इस तरह बिल्कुल नहीं समझिएगा, आपको समझना पड़ेगा, थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजों को आपको समझना होगा। यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, डोंट डू लाइक ए फुलिश पर्सन, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड मीन्स a little bit what to say. I think what to say, I'm not getting. Okay, fifth sentence is I will let you know everything. I will let I will let you everything. I will let you everything. That means क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हो जाएगा आप लोग बताइए? क्या इसका मतलब हो जाएगा मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बता दूंगा। आई विल लेट यू मतलब नो, इसका मतलब मैं आपको सब कुछ बता दूंगा। आई विल लेट यू सॉरी यहाँ तो छूट गया था ना, इसलिए आई विल लेट यू नो एवरीथिंग, मैं आपको सब कुछ बता दूंगा। आई विल लेट यू नो मतलब मैं आपको बता दूंगा, एवरीथिंग मतलब सब कुछ। ओके, आई थिंक यू आर गेटिंग। And is this type of sentences will help you in boosting. Okay, you will boost yourself, and I think you can translate all the sentences, because when you start to speak, then many obstruction will come. Okay, and that obstruction is like that of sentence. So don't be confused, friend. You have to try, you will speak, I am giving you promise, so don't worry. Okay, next sentence means sixth number sentence, and uh, sixth number sentence is I will let you know later. I will let you know, I will let you know later मतलब हो गया इट मीन्स आई विल लेट यू नो लेटर मीन्स बाद में बताऊंगा। तो कंफ्यूज, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज फ्रेंड, बिकॉज आई विल लेट यू नो, मैं आपको जानने दूंगा, लेटर मतलब बाद में, LATER, डोंट थिंक LETTER, लेटर मीन्स पत्र। दैट मीन्स आई विल लेट यू नो लेटर मीन्स बाद में बताऊंगा। आई ऑलवेज से बाद में बताऊंगा, डोंट वरी डियर, आई कांट से दिस टाइम, I will speak later, I will tell you later. Okay, next sentence is very very important sentence, and I think next sentence, seventh number sentence, and nothing like that is very very important sentence is my dear friend, and nothing like that मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मेरे प्यारे दोस्त, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, nothing like that. And now we will go ahead, and we will reach in eighth sentence, and eighth sentence is you are to wait and watch. You are to wait and watch मतलब हो गया कि आप रुकिए एवं देखिए। ओके, आप रुकिए एवं देखिए। एंड ninth number sentence is which new movie is to be released, which new movie is to be released, that means it means न्यू मूवी, कौन सा न्यू मूवी रिलीज होने वाला है, that means which new movie is to be released. I think you are understanding, I think you are better understanding, and you are thinking more and more, and you are practicing more and more, and you are understanding properly whatever I am speaking. Okay, and next sentence is there is no sense in getting up to now. There is no sense in getting upset now मतलब हो गया इसका मीनिंग हुआ कि अब घबराने का कोई मतलब नहीं, अब घबराने का कोई मत, देयर इज नो सेंस, कोई सेंस नहीं बनता है अब घबराने से, ना मतलब, तो अब घबराने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। देयर इज नो सेंस इन गेटिंग अपसेट नाउ। I think you are getting in better way, and you are getting means you are writing all the things in your copy, and I think it will boost you. So don't think I will not write in copy. You have to write in copy, because I I bring those type of sentences which is very very important, which that sentence I speak daily in life. So you have to write it. Okay, next number is 11th number, and a sentence is, how about watching, how about watching how about watching how about watching how about watching a picture today, a picture today. ओके, तो ये इसका मतलब हुआ आज फिल्म देखना कैसा रहेगा। तो इस प्रकार से आई थिंक 10 मतलब इस प्रकार होता है 10 वी कैन से, एंड वी कैन कंक्लूड द sentences classes, and I think we have completed all the things. That's why I will bring only important question and answer class, and this will be completed, I think this will be completed by 10 or I think within 10 or 40 days, 14 days. Then I will bring conversation class, that will be helpful class, and you will know how to talk to other person and in English. And when you go in other side, in I think you will go to shop, you will go to your friend's house, then you will speak English, then that time you will not be confused how to talk. So I think guys you have understood all the things, but you have to practice, and which type of sentences you have to write, and which type of sentences creates problem in spoken. You can comment in comment box, and I will take the sentences in next video. And what to say, you have to watch my video. My video is very very important video, and I will bring very very important classes in spoken. And one thing more, my channel is so important that without it you can't I think I can't say you can't success, but my channel is also important. And this channel is for all type of persons, whether it is old person, whether it is child person, children, whether it is I think whether it is boys or girls, all type of categories person. It is I think this video means this channel is all type this video is this channel is, or this video is so for any type of person. So guys, don't be confused to subscribe. You have to subscribe, and this channel will help you boosting up in your life. So guys, till then, have a nice day all of you, and be healthy, be uh, keep calm, and do what you want guys. So until then, have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.